In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log your sent email to HubSpot CRM. We'll start by signing into HubSpot. Once you're in your account, head over to your email settings. This is where HubSpot allows you to connect your inbox so your email activity can be tracked and associated with your CRM records. From there, click Connect Your Inbox. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, then click Next to move forward. After that, choose the option to connect to Gmail. This begins the process of linking your Google inbox with HubSpot so your sent emails can be logged automatically when needed. Next, take a moment to review the connection details on the screen. It's always a good idea to read through what HubSpot is requesting access to so you understand how the integration works. When you're ready, click Continue. Now select the Google account you want to connect. If you have more than one account signed in, make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you use separate inboxes for work and personal email. After selecting the account, confirm the sign-in to HubSpot, then click Continue again. At this point, you'll complete the Google authorization process. This is where Google asks you to approve the permissions needed for HubSpot to access your inbox connection. Once that's done, finish connecting your inbox inside HubSpot. If everything is successful, your inbox will now be linked to your CRM account. With the inbox connected, the next step is to enable email logging. This setting is essential because it tells HubSpot to save a record of your sent emails within the CRM. After enabling it, open a contact record for the person you want to email. Inside that contact record, click Email to begin composing your message directly from HubSpot. Write your email as you normally would. Before sending it, make sure the log option is enabled. This is the key step that ensures the email will be stored on the contact's timeline in HubSpot. If this option is turned off, the message may send successfully but won't appear in the CRM history. Once you've confirmed that logging is enabled, go ahead and send the email. After it's sent, return to the contact timeline. Look for the sent email activity in the record. You should be able to see the message listed there as part of the contact's engagement history. Finally, verify that the email was successfully logged to HubSpot CRM. This confirmation step helps you make sure everything is working correctly, especially if this is your first time setting it up. Thanks for watching.